students, today in standard seconds mathematics we are going to learn how to compare objects on the basis of their sizes. And for this, on the screen we have an apple. Look at this apple very carefully. There is one apple on the screen, and now there are two apples on the screen. So the first thing or the question which we have to consider is, are they of the same size? जो एप्पल्स आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं दोनों, ये सेम साइज के है क्या? आर दे ऑफ द सेम साइजेस? यस, both the apples are of same sizes. But now there is difference in between the sizes of the first and the second apple. This one is big in size and this one is small in size. By this we understand that when we compare objects based on the sizes, we get big and small objects. So here, first of all, both the apples are of same sizes, but now here this one is big in size and this one is small in size. So whenever we compare two things on the basis of sizes, then we get small object and the big object. One more example. Now on the screen, look at this ball. This is a ball. Now again on the screen, two balls. Out of these two, this one is a big ball, while this is a small one, small in size. This is big in size. So whenever we compare two objects on the basis of sizes, then we get small and big objects. Small, big. One more on the screen. This one is big in size and this one is small in size. On the screen now, bird and butterfly. So bird is big in size. Bird is big in size, and compared to bird, butterfly is small in size. अगर हम दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे बर्ड और बटरफ्लाई को, तो दोनों के साइज में क्या है? डिफरेंस है. बर्ड इज बिग and butterfly is small. One more example. Bus is big and car is small. This bus is big while this car is small. Now on the screen, kite. This one is small in size and this one is big in size. Again on the screen, watermelon and apple. अब watermelon भी एक fruit है और apple भी एक fruit है. But when we compare between watermelon and apple, then we get the size of watermelon which is big, और जिसे हम big कह सकते हैं, उसकी size बड़ी होती है compared to apple which is small. Here now again we compared bird with the butterfly, and in that bird was big and butterfly was small. But now here we have elephant and bird. So when we compare between elephant and bird, then the size of elephant is big. Elephant की size कैसी है? Big. And the size of bird is small. Now what we have to do, circle the object that is big. On the screen you can see three objects: pineapple, strawberry and piece of watermelon. So what we have to do, we have to circle the object which is big. Now in this one is big, here this one is big, and here this one is big. ये जो है ये small है size में, this one is also small and this one is also small. Now in the second one, same thing, circle the bigger object in each group. So by observing the picture very carefully, you can easily understand the difference between the size of both the pictures. So here this one is big in size, here this one is big, here this one is big, and here this one is big. Here what we have to do, ring the big picture. जो एक करके दिया है हमें, बैट और बॉल में कंपेयर किया गया, एंड द बैट इज बिगर इन द साइज, तो सर्कल जो है वो बैट को किया हुआ है. Now here this one is big. When we compare watermelon with the mango, then watermelon is big in size. Lock and key, lock is bigger in size. Here balloon and ball, size of balloon is bigger than the balloon. Size of ball is bigger than the balloon. So big, this one is big, this one is big, and this one is also big in size. Next one, circle the small fruits. In the first one, if you people observe carefully, then you can easily answer the question. This one is small in size. Here this one is small. Now in this picture is small, this one is also small. Here now this is big, this is big, this one is small. हमें जो सर्कल करना है वो इसे करना है. This one is small, this one is small. In this, small, small. Now circle the correct picture. We have to circle smaller one. So when we compare these two pictures, then this one is small in size. Here this one is small, here this one is small, here again apple and watermelon, apple is small. In these two images, this frog is small and here this one is small. So in today's topic, we people compared the objects on the basis of their sizes, and when we compare objects on the basis of their sizes, we get smaller object and we get bigger object. एक छोटा होता है और एक बड़ा होता है. Now here on the screen you can see dog and the dinosaur. Out of these two images, dinosaur is a big animal, and dog is a small animal. Now circle the object that is bigger in each box. What we have to do here? We have to circle the bigger object. So here this one is bigger, here this one is bigger in size, here this one is bigger in size, here this one is bigger. Yeah. Now here this one, here this one. Out of these two tractors, this first one is big, and here this one is big. Now the next question, big versus small. In the first question, what we have to do, circle the small plant. So whenever we have to circle the object based on the size, what we have to compare, we have to compare the size. So here circle the small plant. Out of these two, this one is small. In this, circle the small animal. This one is small. In this, circle the big bird. This one is the big bird. Circle the big insect. This one is big insect.